So welcome back guys, here's another painting and drawing video. Today we're drawing anime. Only the heads though from Haikyu. To be honest, this is the first time I tried to study anything related to anime in terms of art, because I went to the classical route of realistic paintings like that. So these are the Shonen Jump covers of Haikyu. So first thing I would paint is the head of Nishinoya. So in this first head painting, I'm trying to dissect what are the things that I need to know, trying to get the shading right, trying to get the forms right, and also how to use the line quality. So in this head painting, I've found out that it is more on monochromatic shadings and the form separation. Not only I can use the shading, but also I can use harsh lines like pure blacks to handle the separation of the form. So the next guy that we'll be painting is Asahi. I like the blending of the shading here, from the pale browns to the purpley violet blues, and the indication of sweat in the face. One thing that I also notice in anime that they have this thing on the hair. It is very detailed, but if they do this in real life, when they're drawing and painting this, they're very quick to indicate the complexity of the hair. So the next character is Hinata. So on this one, I've changed it up a bit by not making clean lines to indicate the form of the character. So next is Kageyama. So in here, I think I'm having a hard time in identifying actually the colors. So I could see in my eye that this painting has green on it, some tints of blue on the eye, but I think those are just artifacts from the scanning or the taking a photo of it. And also in the beginning section, I've made the error of having the eye separated too much. So that's it, guys. These are the 4 head studies from the anime Haikyu. So I think for next week, I would like to produce a full character rendering of it. Essentially, it would look like a Shonen Jump cover. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend and have a good one.